Improve your spoken English by listening and practicing these questions and answers.
How is the weather outside?
It's raining outside.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
My favorite thing to do on a rainy day is to read a book.
What's the most interesting book you have read recently?
The most interesting book I have read recently is *Sapiens: A Brief History of Humankind* by Yuval Noah Harari.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
If I could have any superpower, I would want the ability to read minds.
What's your favorite thing to do when you're bored?
My favorite thing to do when I'm bored is to play video games.
What's the best piece of advice you've ever received?
The best piece of advice I've ever received is to follow your dreams.
What's something you're really passionate about?
I'm really passionate about helping others.
What's your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to make a difference in the world.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
My favorite thing about myself is my sense of humor.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm just excited for the weekend.
Me too. I have a lot of fun things planned.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to see a movie with my friends on Friday night. Then on Saturday, I'm going to go hiking with my family. And on Sunday, I'm going to have a barbecue with my neighbors.
Those all sound like great plans. I'm going to be lazy on the weekend and just relax.
That sounds good too. Sometimes it's nice to just take a break and do nothing.
Yeah, I agree.
So, what have you been up to lately?
Not much. I've just been working and hanging out with my friends.
How's work going?
It's going well. I'm really enjoying my new project.
That's great to hear.
What's something you're working on improving?
I'm working on improving my public speaking skills.
What's one thing you're grateful for today?
I'm grateful for my friends and family.
What's your favorite thing about our friendship?
My favorite thing about our friendship is that we can always be ourselves around each other.
What's something you've always wanted to ask me?
I've always wanted to ask you what your biggest fear is.
What's something you're really excited about right now?
I'm really excited about the new job I'm starting next month.
What's one thing you're looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to our next vacation together.
What's your favorite thing to do with me?
My favorite thing to do with you is to just talk.
What's something you've learned from me?
I've learned a lot from you about how to be a good friend.
What's something you admire about me?
I admire your strength and resilience.
What's something you'd like to change about yourself?
I'd like to be more patient.
What's something you'd like to change about the world?
I'd like to see less poverty and inequality in the world.
What's your favorite thing about being alive?
My favorite thing about being alive is spending time with the people I love.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
What's your favorite band?
My favorite band is Coldplay.
Where's your favorite place to travel?
My favorite place to travel is Iceland.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the dog.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
What's your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is sunny and warm.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a software engineer.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend is you. Please subscribe to my channel for more useful videos.